If I could simplify the issue and move away from bag searches, knowing that in this area that Metro represents 1,500 square miles, 86 stations, over 1,300 buses, over 1,200 bus stops, over 65,000 parking spaces, platforms, school locations that we provide protection to, the question to me would be how many police officers would be appropriate? And so if I had additional police officers, would it mean that I would not have to consider another method that sort of dissuades the bad person because of randomness, unpredictability, that we wouldn't have to do that? And so those are the types of questions that when we look at a momentary 18 seconds on average, looking on the outer portions of a person's garments, not looking into it, just to make sure that we do something similar to what's found in the Verizon Center or at museums across this area, with the understanding that we're doing it for the sole purpose of protecting our customers and employees in our facilities. And it's not an absolute guarantee that we will catch the bad guy, but it's to add that unpredictability. We have canines, which is effective. We have police officers who randomly patrol. That is just one additional tool in our toolbox. And so if we were to be told that with this vast amount of coverage, if, as I've gone to meetings with Chief Lanier, community meetings, and we talk about the protection of the Metropolitan Police, which they do an outstanding job, but they cover 59 square miles, and she said that they had roughly 4,000 police officers, and I asked the community members, well, how many police officers do you think that we have? We cover 1,500 square miles. The answer is about 2,500, but that's not the reality. And so we depend greatly on the 40 federal, state, and local law enforcement agencies who every day do an outstanding job to assist us in protecting the employees and the patrons that utilize our system. But this measure is no different than the measure that many of you went through when you came to this building, that you were stopped and you were momentarily searched or you had your items scanned. So